Guys, in this video I am going to show you how can you join a subreddit on the reddit.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, you should open the website on your device. After that, you should select a forum or group, or called a subreddit, by tapping on the search Reddit search bar at the top of the screen. After that, you should type in the name of the forum that you are interested in, if you have a particular one in mind, or you can also use keywords to select a subreddit that you want to join. Here you can check out their posts, and if you would like to join the community, tap on this join button. And as you can see, you have successfully joined the community. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.